fancy photos.
Right.
That takes whatever. You do a minute and 40 seconds of we're the greatest in the world, so and so. You do a minute of the title girl telling you how wonderful title insurance is. You do another minute and a half. You're done.
Right. I don't think anything else. Welcome back to Selling with Sal, the show that brings you new listens and insight from Miami to you. I'm your host and fellow peer, John Porter, here with Sal Davidi, Davidi Realty. Sal, we're going to do a quick question today. I'm thinking about investing some money in real estate. What do you think?
John, there's two types of investments in real estate. There's short-term and long-term. Which is the question about?
Let's go with long-term.
I mean, long-term, again, in my experience in the real estate business and the field for over 30-some years, it's very hard to do poorly in real estate over a long time, over the long term. Again, what does that mean? You got to first establish a property, which you're going to rent out for multiple years. You're going to use that income to pay the debt service, to do the repairs, maybe get a couple dollars out of it, and at the end of the time frame, again, whether it's 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, the property's appreciated and valued tremendously. So as a long-term investment, real estate, in my opinion, is as good as there is.
Okay, cool. Thank you for watching the clip. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have any questions for Sal, please send them at questions@davidirealty.com. And see you next time.